All right, we're going to find out how to get the surface area of pyramids. So here's an example of a pyramid. You can see it's got a base, and this one here has 4 sides. And the thing about this is it comes, we've got a flat base, and it comes up to a point. Okay, and you'll probably see this in the videos or in the in-class instruction. Okay, so I tried to draw this as best as I could. Here, there's 4 sides. Okay, and so the lateral height is the side that's going from the tip to an edge. Okay, and you can see that here when I've got my pyramid. If I'm going from the tip to the edge of one of the sides, that's the lateral height. Okay. Now, if I was going from the height down to the very center, that would be the true height. Okay. So the true height goes from the top all the way down to the base, and it's perpendicular at the base area. So it hits there perpendicular. Okay, straight down. Okay, so like with this pyramid, if I could drop a toothpick down the center, the toothpick would end up right at the B. Whereas on the lateral height, this lateral height ends up on the edge of the pyramid. Okay, so anyways, so a net is when you have your when you can take the sides all apart and and you've got your drawings here. So I'm going to take this in here, and just so that okay. So I've got this thing. So you can see there was 4 triangle sides, and then the square base. So let's measure this and find the surface area here. So if I measure this, you can see that the base here is 2 inches, and this is 2 inches. So let's mark this here. 2 inches. This is 2 inches. Okay, and so clearly from here to here is 2 inches. And we need to measure the height so we can figure out the area of this triangle. So the length of the red line is, it looks like it's 2 1/4. So so I'll say 2.25 inches. Okay, and the bottoms here match up to the bottom of the square, right? So we know all the bottoms of all these triangles are 2 inches. Okay, so the surface area, so I'm using SA for surface area. Okay, the surface area is equal to the 4 areas of the triangles, right, plus the area of the base area. And as I mentioned before, I use a capital B for base. Okay, so first let's find the triangle area. Oops. The area of the triangle. Okay, so the area of any triangle is 1/2 base times height. I'm using a lowercase b because that's the length of the line. Okay, so the area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height. So this base is 2 inches. So 1/2 times 2 inches, and the height is 2.25 inches. Okay, so 1/2, 2 inches, which is this line here, and the height is this pink line right here. Okay. So, well, 1/2 of 2, that cancels out, right? And so the area of the triangle here is 2.25 inches squared. Okay, and you know the units are correct because here we have inches, and here we have inches, and inches times inches gives me inches squared. Okay. All right, so that's my area of a single triangle. Okay, now what's the area of the base? So the base area equals 2 inches times 2 inches. So that equals 4 inches squared. Okay, so now we can find our total surface area. Which is equal to, we have 4 triangles, right? So 4 times 2.25 inches plus 4 inches squared. Okay, so 4 times 2.5, because that's the area of a triangle, and this value here is the area of this guy here. Add them all together. So 4 times 2.25 is going to give me 9 plus 4. It's going to give me 13. Okay, so 4 times 2.25 is 9 inches squared, plus 4 inches squared is going to give me 13 inches squared. And this is the total surface area. You might call it the net area. So the net is all parts of these together. Okay. And that should be it.